Hey everybody, I wanted to jump on here and share a super quick, easy tip in Google that's going to make your life so much easier. So I'm all about efficiency and I'm all about creating those quick little systems so that you can get more work done with less aggravation. So how many documents, PowerPoint or Google Sheets that you create every single day? So what do? You go to Google, you open it up, you create a new document. Well, did you know that there's this quick little hack? If you wanted to create a new Google Doc, go up to a new browser and just type in docs.new, docs.new. And magically, a new Google Doc opens up and you're good to go. You could also say doc.new. You could say document.new. And it doesn't stop there. You can create sheets the same way just by typing sheets.new or spreadsheet.new. I mean, I think you see where I'm going with this, right? The same thing with slides. Just type in slides.new. I mean, I'm like, I want to create all these little files because it's just so fun to see it happen. I mean, it's like magic. And, then of course you name it and it just saves it in the root of your Google folder or your Google Drive. So I'm not going to demonstrate it. I'll put in the notes all of the little shortcut basically that you need to type. I just want you to stop and think about something for a minute. I'm always telling my clients, if it's not easy, it doesn't get done. And also, if you can start shaving off just a few little steps, a few little clicks, you will be amazed at how much more work you get done because you're becoming more efficient. So you have this quick little system. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here for a quick minute and share this Google hack. So go try it right now. Just click on a new tab and type in docs.new. All right, that's it. And again, if you're watching this on Facebook, I would love it if you would subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I love to share productivity tips, efficiency tips, and then all about marketing your online business, because your online business doesn't have to be hard. You just need to figure out the quick ways to do it. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.